Ever wondered how to bring your favorite characters to life in stunning duo pictures? In this video, I'll show you how to craft the perfect prompts and create dynamic interactions between characters that feel real and engaging. Whether it's heroes, teaming up, or rivals facing off, you'll learn all the tricks to make your duo images stand out. Let's dive into the art of storytelling through visuals. Discover the incredible hand-painted style Xiaohuoguo by Tensorart, a game-changing Chinese image generation model that delivers stunning visuals in seconds. Simply click the link and you'll be taken straight to the interface. To generate duo images, simply click the Run button. This will take you to the Xiaohuoguo generation interface, where the image creation process begins. A pop-up will appear asking if you'd like to apply the recommended parameters. The author suggests using the base model, Illustrious XL version 1. If you're okay with that, click Yes. We'll make adjustments later. Xiaohuoguo is an advanced and powerful model, offering exceptional image quality. First, I want to switch to the Illustrious XL version 2. To do this, I click here, search for Illustrious XL, and choose version 2 exclusively from Tensorart. A prompt will ask about VAE, which is related to color performance. I'll leave it set to automatic, as it provides great results. After clicking Yes, by default, the trigger word Xiaohuoguo is added. From here, we can also add extra features like LoRa models. There are many available to choose from. Then, we have the embedding section, where you can select additional embedding if you wish. If you have a reference image, you can use ControlNet to improve the accuracy of your results by incorporating the reference. However, even without these additions, Xiaohuoguo's built-in capabilities are powerful enough to generate high-quality images right out of the box. You have full control over your image generation settings, ensuring the perfect results every time. Next, we have the VAE, Variational Autoencoder, which significantly impacts the color performance of the image. For the best results, I recommend leaving it set to Automatic, as it ensures optimal color accuracy. In the settings section, you can fine-tune several options according to your preferences. These include adjusting the aspect ratio, selecting the sampling method, determining the number of sampling steps, and choosing the scheduler. You can also set the CFG scale and seed options to customize the generation process to your exact needs. Under Advanced Settings, you'll find even more flexibility. You can adjust the clip skip and ENSD settings for even finer control over the image generation process, helping you achieve your desired results with precision. For those looking to enhance the quality, you can use the upscale feature. This option allows you to increase the resolution of your image after generating the base. You can refine the upscaling process by tweaking settings like higher steps and denoying strength, ensuring that finer details are preserved and the image becomes clearer and more detailed. If you're dealing with issues like facial collapse or hand deformities, the A-Detailer feature is a great tool to address these. This feature provides an easy way to fix problems like these and enhance the overall realism of your image. Just choose the right model that fits your needs, and you're good to go. You can enter a detailed prompt and a negative prompt along with any additional settings you'd like to customize. If you want to create an image with a transparent background, simply enable the layer diffusion feature in this section. Now, let's focus on the prompt box. This is where you'll enter the description of the image you wish to generate. Once we've configured the settings, it's time to get creative with your prompt. Then, we move on to the negative prompt section. Since we've already used the recommended negative prompts, you can either select from the suggested list, provide your own, or even generate new ones with the help of ChatGPT. There are also extra settings available that let you refine your prompts. You can translate a prompt using a random prompt or improve a poorly written prompt for better results. Next up is the A1111 option, along with the TAMS 2.0 engine. This engine uses the TAMS 2.0 parsing method by default. When you select this, it activates the A1111 Web UI parsing mode. Keep in mind that certain syntax, like and, break, etc., may not work as expected in this mode. Want to generate perfect duo images? Let's explore how to write prompts and create dynamic interactions between characters. Now, I've entered the prompt. But if you're unsure about how to write prompts for generating duo pictures or how to craft interactions between the two characters, I turn to ChatGPT for guidance. I ask, I'm going to generate duo pictures. Please guide me on how to write prompts and create interactions between the characters. ChatGPT guides us through creating perfect duo image prompts by suggesting that we clearly define the setting, emotions, and actions of both characters. First, it's important to provide clear descriptions of both characters, detailing their physical appearance. This includes their hair color, outfit, height, and body type, creating a vivid image of each character. Next, describing the setting is crucial, where the characters are, the time of day, and the atmosphere of their environment. Whether it's a dark forest at twilight or a futuristic city during the day, the setting helps to create a rich backdrop for the interaction. The next step is to define the interaction between the characters. Are they talking, fighting, working together, or sharing an emotional moment? Their relationship, whether friendly, romantic, or adversarial, will shape the nature of their interaction. It's also important to focus on their body language and emotions, which help convey how they feel and how they relate to each other. Are they standing confidently, sitting together in a relaxed manner, or in a tense, confrontational pose? Lighting plays a huge role in creating the desired mood and enhancing the character's appearance. Is the lighting soft and warm, or harsh and dramatic? The lighting choice will affect the overall atmosphere and the emotions conveyed in the image. After asking ChatGPT for some guidance on crafting prompts, I received 3 well-crafted suggestions that incorporated all of these details. I copied the first prompt and pasted it into the prompt section. Since the default negative prompt wasn't suitable for our illustration, I asked ChatGPT for negative prompts. It provided several options tailored to our prompt, so I copied the first one and pasted it into the negative prompt section. Once everything was set up, I selected the number of images I wanted to generate and hit the Generate button. The results were amazing. 2 images were generated from the first prompt, followed by 2 more for the second prompt, and finally, a third set of images based on the third prompt. This is how you can create dynamic duo images with perfect interactions, using detailed prompts and fine-tuned settings. So, this is how you can write duo picture prompts and create prompts for character interactions, leading to amazing images. By following the steps of clearly defining the characters, their relationship, and the setting, you can easily generate dynamic and engaging duo images. Remember, the right prompt settings make all the difference in how the characters interact and how the image turns out. If you have any questions about creating duo images or character interactions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel because Learnify AI is here to empower you with AI. If you're curious about the best character AI alternatives with no filters, NSFW enabled, click on the video to the left. If you're ready to create stunning images using the best new AI image generator, just click on the video to your right. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy Learnify AI, goodbye.